Good morning, madam. I lost my travel bag on the train. I was wondering if you could help me.
Of course, sit down, please.
Thank you very much.
First, let me take some details. What's your name, please?
My name is Paul Smithers.
Smithers, could you please spell it?
Paul Smithers, Smithers.
All right. And when did you find you lost your travel bag?
Yesterday evening. I just finished a whole day's paperwork and took the train to return home. I was completely exhausted.
Yesterday. Today is the 15th of July, so it's the 14th. You said you were on the train when you lost your bag. Do you remember the number of the coach? Which coach were you in?
What do you mean?
Each coach has different letters represented its unique functions. For example, Coach A is for smoking passengers, while Coach B is for non-smoking passengers. So, do you still remember the number of the coach?
I don't remember the exact letter, but I do recall that I was trying to relax my brain with a cup of coffee. So it must be the buffet car.
Wait a minute, I'll check it up for you. You mean the buffet car? That's the Coach E.
Oh yes, that's it then.
All right, now tell me something about the bag. What's the colour?
It is a brown one with a small blue carton race car image at the bottom in the left-hand corner.
Okay, I know. And what does it look like? What's the style?
What do you mean?
What kind of distinctive features does it have? Like, is it a box type or a soft one? Does it contain any pockets?
Well, it's a soft one on the rack. What's more, there are 2 pockets at the front. They have long straps and are made by nylon.
Right, got that. Did you lose any other things besides your bag?
My jacket, which is made up of leather, and my notebook were in it.
I am sorry to hear it. Do you remember where did you exactly put them?
Well, I walked in the coach, sat down beside my table, ordered my coffee, then, I found there was not enough space to put my stuff. So, I put them by the door, and I forgot to take them when I leave.
Okay, I know. So how much do you think the lost item cost?
Well, my travel bag was about £100, but the leather jacket cost me £345 and the notebook. It is not worth much itself, but it contains all the contact I need. It's so frustrating.
We also need your personal information.
No problem, please.
Where do you live?
21 Kirke Street, Kierke Street, Canterbury.
Kirk Street. My cousin also lives there, and I went there sometimes. A quiet street, isn't it?
Yes, indeed. Have you ever been to the park at the corner of the street end? It's very quiet and beautiful. My aunt and uncle like there so much that they go there almost every week.
Not yet, but I'll certainly try there sometime. Let me see. Where were we? Oh yes, your postcode.
GW432HA.
Phone number.
321-8892.
Okay, I think that's all we need at the moment. We'll contact you as soon as we have any information on them.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Bye.
Bye.